So I'm going to be trying this Garri and Coke recipe. I actually have a friend that I saw drink Garri with Fanta one time, but I was like, if you can drink Garri with Fanta, then maybe you can drink Garri with Coke. Some people say you're not supposed to drink it together. That is wrong, but I don't know. I just want to try it today and see how it's going to be. Hopefully it does not kill me, but you know, let's just try it. So I'm going to be trying the viral Garri and Coke. This is my Coke, this is Garri. I'm not going to use all of them, just small. So let me put it into the plate and see. I don't want to take too much. Okay, so yes, I'm going to be working with just this one. Let me take this one away. So this is the drink I'm going to be using. Let me just open it and pour it inside. So my drink is open now. I'm just going to pour it inside. Wow. Looks like I added Milo or something inside. It's just brown in color. It's really brown. Okay, time to taste it because that's where the main cocoa is. So I'm about to taste it. The Garri and Coke. Let me see how it is. I'm not sure I'm going to eat this thing. I'm not sure. But it tastes sweet, sir. It's just like drinking Coke with Garri. But this one is mixed together. Well, I've tried it. I'm not going to take it.